From the skies above, the diverse landscapes of France unfurl before us, a tapestry woven with rolling hills, fertile valleys, rugged coastlines, and bustling cities. It is a land steeped in history, rich in culture, and renowned for its gastronomic delights. Join us as we explore the top 5 breathtaking places in France, each with its own unique charm and attractions. From the iconic Eiffel Tower to the serene lavender fields of Provence, we'll uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make France a truly captivating destination. Our journey begins in the heart of Paris, at the foot of the majestic Eiffel Tower. This wrought-iron lattice tower, standing tall at over 1,000 feet, has become a global icon of France. Constructed in 1889 for the World's Fair, the Eiffel Tower was initially met with skepticism, with some even calling it an eyesore. Yet over time, its sheer audacity and architectural brilliance captivated the world, transforming it into a symbol of human ingenuity and artistic vision. Today, millions flock to its observation decks each year, eager to witness the panoramic views of Paris sprawling beneath them. From the Champ de Mars to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, the city unfolds in a breathtaking panorama, showcasing the beauty of Parisian architecture and urban design. The tower itself, with its intricate latticework and graceful curves, is a testament to the power of human imagination and the enduring allure of artistic expression. As night falls, the Eiffel Tower undergoes a magical transformation, illuminated by thousands of sparkling lights, creating a spectacle that leaves onlookers in awe. It's a beacon of hope and inspiration, a symbol of France's enduring spirit and a testament to the enduring power of dreams. We journey south to the sun-drenched region of Provence, where rolling hills are blanketed in a sea of purple. The lavender fields of Provence are a sight to behold, a sensory symphony of colour and fragrance that captivates the soul. Row upon row of lavender plants stretch as far as the eye can see, their vibrant purple hues painting the landscape in a breathtaking spectacle. The air is thick with the sweet floral aroma of lavender, a scent that is both calming and invigorating. The best time to witness this spectacle is during the summer months, from late June to early August, when the lavender is in full bloom. The fields are abuzz with activity as bees diligently collect nectar, their gentle hum adding to the symphony of nature. Visitors from around the world come to witness this breathtaking display, to stroll through the fragrant fields, and to capture the beauty of the landscape in their memories. The lavender fields are not just a feast for the senses, they also play a vital role in the local economy. Lavender oil extracted from the flowers is renowned for its therapeutic properties, and is used in a wide range of products, from perfumes and soaps to aromatherapy oils and culinary delights. On the rugged coast of Normandy, where the land meets the sea, lies a site that seems to defy the laws of nature. Mont-Saint-Michel, a tidal island crowned by a medieval abbey, rises dramatically from the surrounding waters, a testament to human resilience and architectural ingenuity. The island is connected to the mainland by a causeway, which is submerged during high tide, transforming Mont-Saint-Michel into a truly isolated island. At the heart of the island stands the Benedictine Abbey, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture that has stood the test of time for over a millennium. Its soaring spires, intricate carvings, and imposing ramparts speak of a time when faith moved mountains, literally. Pilgrims have flocked to this sacred site for centuries, drawn by its spiritual significance and the awe-inspiring beauty of its surroundings. As the tides ebb and flow, the landscape around Mont-Saint-Michel undergoes a dramatic transformation. The sandy bay, once submerged beneath the waves, reveals itself, crisscrossed by intricate tidal channels that reflect the ever-changing moods of the sea. The spectacle of the tides, coupled with the architectural grandeur of the abbey, creates an unforgettable experience, a testament to the power of nature and the enduring spirit of human endeavour. We journey to the rolling hills of Bordu, a region renowned for its world-class wines and picturesque vineyards that stretch as far as the eye can see. Here, tradition and innovation go hand in hand, as generations of winemakers have honed their craft, producing wines that are celebrated for their complexity, elegance, and finesse. The vineyards of Bordeaux are a tapestry of colours, with rows of meticulously pruned vines stretching across the landscape, their leaves changing hue with the seasons, from vibrant green to fiery red and golden yellow. The wine production process is a labour of love, a delicate dance between nature and human intervention. From the careful selection of grape varieties to the meticulous pruning of the vines, every step is crucial in shaping the final product. The grapes, harvested at the peak of ripeness, are transformed into liquid gold through a process of fermentation and aging, resulting in wines that are a true reflection of the terroir and the dedication of the winemakers. Visiting the vineyards of Bordeaux is an immersive experience, a chance to witness the artistry of winemaking firsthand, to sample the fruits of the vine, and to soak in the beauty of the surrounding countryside. It's a journey that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the craft of winemaking. Our final destination takes us to the wild and untamed Camargue, a vast wetland region in southern France where nature reigns supreme. Here, amidst marshes, lagoons and salt flats, a unique ecosystem thrives, teeming with a diverse array of wildlife. The Camargue is a haven for birdwatchers, with over 400 species of birds recorded in the region, including the iconic pink flamingos, their vibrant plumage a striking contrast to the azure waters of the lagoons. The Camargue is also home to a unique breed of white horses, known for their grace and resilience. These horses, descendants of ancient breeds, roam freely through the marshes, their white coats gleaming in the sunlight. Their presence adds a touch of magic to the landscape, a reminder of the untamed spirit that still thrives in this corner of France. The Camargue is a place where nature unfolds in all its raw beauty, a reminder of the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with the rhythms of the natural world. A fitting end to our journey through the breathtaking landscapes of France. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the notify bell for weekly alerts, share with friends, then give us a like. Safe travels.